Good morning, everyone. My name is Erez Katz, and I'm the CEO of Lucena Research. Lucena Research provides predictive analytics and decision support technology for the wealth management industry. We help portfolio managers achieve greater success with a scientific overlay on the research. We help them optimize their portfolios better, exploit market opportunities with precision, and scientifically validate their investment before risking capital. Here's the problem we're trying to solve. The wealth management industry is undergoing some tremendous pressure in recent years. For one, fund managers have been underperforming. Last year alone, 86% of active fund managers underperformed their respective benchmarks. Many of them are losing market share. $1.3 trillion have moved away from traditional money management to competitive products such as the robo-advisory firms that are coming and blooming out of the West Coast and Silicon Valley. The fees are under pressure, and with the emergence of big data, they are unable to take advantage of the massive amount of predictive data that becomes more and more ubiquitous in recent years. This is a fairly vast market that we're targeting here. There's 32,000 RIAs, registered investment advisors, in the United States alone. 11,000 hedge funds, 6,000 family offices, and numerous liquid alternative investment funds, ETFs, mutual funds, and the likes. Going internationally, it's about 3 times the size of that market. We at Lucena had built an interesting technology that consumes orthogonal data sources into one comprehensive database, and we enable our customers to take a complex problem with an easy-to-use solution. Our offerings are broken into 3 distinct layers of services and products. At the core is Quant. It's a Quant in a box technology, on-demand, do-it-yourself research tool. It allows a portfolio manager to upload their portfolio and within seconds optimize their portfolio, find and exploit new market opportunities, and truly take advantage of sophisticated technology with a very easy-to-use interface. Second tier is for the folks who do not wish to do their own research, do not seek to research themselves. They came to us with the notion of, hey, can you do it for me? Can you tell me what works? And for them, we'd build model portfolios, an interesting model. We create the portfolios. They're fully baked, fully researched by our quantitative analysis in-house team. We allow them to view these portfolios before we even execute trades ourselves. They subscribe monthly to these portfolios, and there is a success-based compensation if we outperform a pre-agreed upon metrics of success. The third level is a Quant for hire, and more of a custom research, professional services, although everything I'm talking about here translates to monthly subscription plus success-based compensation. This is a recurring SaaS revenue model. This is not a professional service company, so we drive that model with anything we do. A little bit about Quant. It's the only tool that I know in the space that enables a non-programmer, a non-data scientist, to conduct a full life cycle research without writing a single line of code. A little bit more about Quant. It's got 6 distinct modules. They're all in production, paid for by customers, and used daily by many of our clients. At the core, we have Price Forecaster. It's a price prediction engine using a multi-factor big data analytics approach. A portfolio optimizer, allowing them to optimize their portfolio for a given risk profile. Hedge Finder, identify additional securities to add to our portfolio to minimize its volatility and maximize its return. Event Analyzer, exploit market opportunities with precision by identifying events that can move sectors, markets, or individual stocks. Again, these are all in production, working daily. All of these technologies can be tested over time by rolling back time and allowing our backtest simulation engine to assess how they perform in different market regimes. Many of our customers, prospects ask us, okay, this is very nice, good pictures, does your stuff really works? And to that end, I want to show you one true success story. What you see on the screen here is the S&P 500, which represents the market from September 1st, 2014 to October 2nd, just a few weeks ago. As you can see, the market has been quite volatile in recent months, and actually, at that time, it underperformed. It's below the zero line. Now, many professional investors are trying to seek how to minimize the volatility and reduce some of the market risk out of the equation. What they've used is what we call a market-neutral ETFs or funds, which basically takes the market risk completely out of the picture and allows you to kind of drive a very steady, low volatility return. You can see here an example in green here is a Vanguard market neutral fund that's done fairly well. It's pretty flat, not a whole lot of return, but took the fluctuation of the market out of the equation. Lucena had developed a similar product. It's called Tiebreaker. It's a long-short market neutral strategy. Does exactly what the Vanguard market neutral fund does, but a little bit better. What you see in orange here is a live traded portfolio that's currently deployed by our customers and supported by our technology that essentially does the exact same thing, taking the volatility out of the equation with a nice return for our customers. By the way, this technology was completely driven by our platform. No line of code was written. No data scientist was engaged in this specific strategy. It was done primarily by our leadership trying to prove that our stuff really works. A little bit about our leadership. I'm here joined by my co-founder, Professor Dr. Tucker Balch, right there. Dr. is a world-renowned expert in computational finance. He's the author of What Hedge Funds Really Do and actively teaches AI and finance at Georgia Tech. About myself, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I took a business from inception all the way through IPO in a previous life. Very excited about this new engagement and this new venture. And my expertise really relies on recurring revenue business models and cloud-based computing. Thank you very much for your time.